adorable armadillo, nature's little tank on a wild adventure.
Discover armadillos' diverse habitats and their vital ecosystem roles. Marvel at the armadillo's fascinating, bony armor and its protective strengths. Explore how armadillos maintain ecological balance with their diverse diet. Delve into the armadillo's calming, solitary nighttime journeys in nature. Uncover armadillo's uncanny, breath-holding talent for riverbed exploration. Discover armadillo's unique reproduction, bringing identical quadruplets into the world. Learn how armadillos support ecosystems through pest control and soil improvement. Support critical conservation efforts to protect vulnerable armadillo species today.